catch. It is Friday, no, it's Wednesday, the 15th of April. It is bang on 10 o'clock. I am Jason Fairclough, and today we are finishing off the lintel. Let's get cracking. So if you're ever putting lintels in, no matter what, a minimum the lintel has to sit on either side of the wall is 4 inches or 100 mil in new money. But when you're putting anything heavy like a lintel above a door, you have to put a pad stone in. I think that's only with steels though. I don't think that's for timber, and definitely not for catnick lintels, and they're different. So pretty much, just imagine that these are your external brick, your facing brick, and your internal thermalite block or concrete block. Usually it's thermalite or whatever it's called. So the catnick will sit on a bed of mortar here. That's your mortar. That's your mortar. And it does this. It's a weird shape, so it does that. It comes down and does that. And then this will be filled with insulation, pretty much. But that's your catnick lintel, and that's what it looks like. So now we're going to take the lintel out. And I've got to mask up and everything because it's just disgusting whatever's going to come out of that. But hey. That was great. So just look at how rotten this wood is. It's like honeycomb, but it's a little bit more than old age. If you see all these little holes, that's where larvae had been. There's a beetle in England, and it's called the Death Watch beetle. And what it does, it lays its larvae in the wood, and then those larvae chew through the wood and use that as a source for them to grow and to become adults, pretty much. Oh, this machine is an absolute beast. Absolute beast. So pretty much that's another episode done. I hope you're enjoying these. I'm not really sure how they're turning out. I mean, I'm enjoying them. It's more of a nice thing to look back onto. But I'll show you the end product now. It's not anything fancy. I mean, you'd be expecting a lot more joinery wise from me. Loads of houses and stuff. But whilst this epidemic's going on, ain't none of that happening. Pretty much what happened is like yesterday with the roller one, the actual door. I wrapped it in DPC, as you can see. It's 4 inches on each end, so it's taking the weight of the roof now So it's taking a little bit of the strain off that wall plate, which is good. What I've done is I've wrapped the ends as well, like a parcel form. So no water can get in there and no water can get in from the outside as well. But yeah, that's the end. I'm gonna go put my feet up now. And I'll see you in the next one.